What's up everyone, today just doing a market review there of NFP Friday. So I'm just going to bring you over here to Forex Factory and just show. So first week of every month, NFP week, quite volatile week. Shouldn't really be trading post Wednesday's session. Thursday, Friday, if you're not experienced, I wouldn't be trading it at all. Like, you have to kind of be experienced enough. Like, there does be trades there, but it's like for more experienced traders. Mainly you should just be sitting out, but as you go further in your development, obviously you can trade if there is something there, I suppose, but always keep an intention of good risk management, because NFP will fuck you completely. So anyways, here we have NFP Fridays opening, so that is midnight New York time on Friday. Right around here we have the news of the non-farm payroll numbers here. So as you can see, market came down and pumped up here. Where I was aiming for was on a, it was a higher time frame anyway. So I'll just do this here so I can see. So what I was originally aiming for a price to seek up into was obviously the low of this weekly order block here. But if you look over here, from a daily perspective, there is a volume imbalance just here, and as you can see, price came up into the low of that volume imbalance on the daily time frame. Keep in mind, if you look here, on a 4-hour time frame, between here and actually I suppose here. Now, another volume imbalance there on the daily. I personally think market's going to seek higher still, maybe give a bit of a retracement, but primarily still bullish. But at the same time, NFP week can be the deciding direction of the market for the month, keeping in line with that. But I think primarily there's still some buy side that's looking to be taken. So anyways, they were my higher time levels, which I was aiming for there. And as you can see, back going on to here. So yeah, we had the bottom of the volume imbalance on the weekly there, or daily, sorry, tapped, just came into that. As you can see here, price, there was buy side resting above that. Price came up, swept it, which is a Judas swing and a reversal. So as you can see here, so on the news event release, obviously you had this big up action here. Retail traders gonna probably think with that big immense movement coming into the market, it's gonna want to seek higher, buying into that. But obviously manipulation is what's going on in the market, so you need to be on the right side, and people obviously buying into this here. And as you can see, the market nicely just swept the high there, create a bit of consolidation here, and boom, seeked lower. If you notice here, this is all one big consolidation area, right? So back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. If you look right there, we have actually a power tree. So we have accumulation, market manipulation, and distribution, the sell side. All here. This is Michael's power tree concept right there. I'm just going to get that different shaded there. We'll give it a purple. There's one, just a red. So as you can see, obviously when the market's coming up and down, it's accumulating its orders here, offloading the highs there. So there are positions where they would obviously been in here, they're offloading the positions, they're selling, and basically push market down here, and just market tanked off. So where I was entering was here. That's on Dreamland. If you look right there to that discount low, that candle there, and the high of that one, we have a little gap here. So as price created this harsh run in, filling in that buy side, came down to this blue line here, which is 1 hour order back high, using the 2 candles here as our consecutive 1 candle for a bullish order back. So that's where I was aiming for with that one, and as you can see it came into that level there. I wasn't expecting that to hold though, so let me go back, it was on a 3 minute. So when price made this one down here, tapped this blue line, came back up into this area here, this all became a balanced price range. So I originally bought from there to there. Now I bought there, closed there, and I switched my position. So as you can see here, when I bought here and it came down here, I took a little L, closed the position out because we swept the lows here. Because I was aiming for price to go possibly back up to that, but didn't. And then I spotted over here, we had that balanced price range over there. So if you look here, this is at 10 AM PMI news release, which is there. And at that time, well, 10 AM was actually here, sorry. After that, we basically had at the 10 AM opening this down close candle here, and price came up obviously into that. Once it broke this here, then we traced back up into this previous area, became a mitigation block. So they were mitigating their sell orders all inside this area, because obviously once they goes under here, these are underwater. So no, sorry, the price range, they had to push up this, they had to offload it here. And when they did that, they obviously sold into it, taking out the lows, and I closed there. So I literally entered when price was coming up into here. It was actually when I was returning up into here, forming this body. I didn't know whether I was going to get up to it or not. I thought I was just going to sell off, so sold, put another sell on here, and boom, as you can see, closed out here after starting to make a retracement off that low. And that is my positions there for NFP, and that's basically what I entered in. So hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, safe trading.